Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be teaching you how to understand and how to trade supply and demand levels. Okay, so first and foremost, in order to understand this deeply, we are going to give you 3 rules that you need to stick with. Okay, these are rules that almost nobody give you. What is the problem? You watch a video on supply and demand or whatever trading topic you're watching and nobody gives you strict rules. Okay, they just talk about so many different things that it's so complex. Okay, and then you don't understand exactly how to do things. You kind of understand it, but then you don't see a clear way of doing it yourself. Okay, and this is because they don't give you rules, and trading is has to be rule based. Okay, because in order to be trading without any emotion, you need to have strict rules that you can stick with blindly. Okay, because in the end we're trading an algorithmic market. If you didn't already know, so we're trading basically against robots that are trading with billions and billions and trillions of dollars. So if we don't learn how to trade like an algorithm ourselves, it's going to be very, very hard. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 rules. So first of all, we're going to only need one time frame. We don't need to stick with 50 time frames. Okay, I see all these smart money concepts and smart money trades and whatever they're called. I see them with the whole list. Okay, the whole list. If it's not clean on the 4 hour, they look at the 1 hour. If it's not clean, they will look at the 45. They will invent some time frames as well. They make like a 7-minute and a 3-minute and I don't know, 35 seconds, whatever they're looking at. Okay, you only need one time frame. This to start with, one time frame. Okay, and then we need to look for a strong break of structure, which I'll explain to you in a second. And third of all, last of all, we need to look for a fresh level. Fresh level is a level that hasn't been touched before. Okay, these are the rules. So let's get to drawing. I'm going to look for a buy zone first. Okay, so we are looking for a break of structure. Okay, this is a clear break of structure. Okay, then this price level over here would be the fresh level. Okay, as you can see, price has not come back to the level yet. So this would be a fresh level. It will be the first touch right now. So price can come back to this level. If it comes back, this would be a fresh level. We're going to look on the lower time frame, the only one we use. Okay, we don't use 7 different ones. We just use one. Always the same. With a stop loss between 10 and 20 pips, that's what we always do. So depending on the entry candle that we get. And we can target, for example, this high, or maybe there's a high over here, or whatever. This really depends on ourselves, the targets. Okay, this is basically it. One time frame, 4 hour. Is a break of structure? Yes. Is it a fresh level? Yes. We look to enter. Okay, boom. This is how we do things for a buy trade. For a sell trade, it would be the exact same thing, but just the opposite. Okay, so we are looking for a break of structure. Okay, like this. Okay. Is it one time frame? 4 hour? Yes. Is it a break of structure? Yes. Fresh level? Yes. Is price coming back? Yes. Luckily it came back. Short position? Okay, perfect. Stop loss between 10 and 20 pips. Targeting next low. Perfect. Boom. This is what we're looking for. Nothing else, guys. Nothing else. This is it. Okay. So I'm gonna get to some live charts right now and show you how it's done in real life. Like I said, this is going to be a very quick video. I want to keep it short and simple so you can really understand and learn how to do it as fast as possible. Okay. So let me just look at a buy opportunity over here. We're at one time frame. Yes. 4 hour. Did we see a break of structure? Yes. How many structures did it break? 1, 2, 3, and all these structures as well. These ones. Well, these all broke these structures before. Okay, so is it valid? Definitely valid. So it's one time frame, 4 hours. The break of structure, yes. So this is going to be a fresh level over here. All right, perfect. Price magically comes back. We look to enter over here with our stop loss. Really depends how we enter. If maybe we get an entry over here, maybe we get an entry over here. This really depends. What can we target in the next high, which is the next valid zone as well? What risk reward do we get? I don't know. It really depends on how you enter, how your stop loss is, and everything. You can get a nice risk reward for sure. Okay, this could be a nice, valid buy trade. Perfect. Very, very clean. Let us look at maybe a sell opportunity. Okay, perfect. One time frame? Yes. 4 hour. Break of structure? Yes. How many structures did you break? All these, all these structures got broken. Not this one, but we got all this structure broken. All these. Okay, that's pretty good. So is the break of structure? Yes. This level over here, is it fresh level? Yes. First touch. Perfect. We hit enter. Stop loss a little bit above our entry. We can target, I don't know, the next low. We can target this or this maybe. What risk reward do we get? 1 to 23 almost. Really depends on how you put your stop loss. We usually have pretty good stop loss between 10 and 20 pips. We can say like 15 maybe, the average. So yeah, pretty good stop loss. And a pretty good entry and a nice target. This is basically what it is, guys. There's nothing more to it. Is it one time frame? I'm going to repeat it again. Yes, it's a 4 hour. Is it a break of structure? Yes, it is. Is this a fresh level? Yes, it is. Perfect. This is all we need. Okay, guys. So why do we say fresh level? Because we have the highest probability of the trade playing out when it's the first time that it comes back to our zone, to our level. Okay. That doesn't mean that in the future, when you get more experience, you won't be trading maybe second touch or a third touch. Okay, because right now we do trade second and third touches sometimes. Okay, it really depends on how price is reacting when it gets to our level. But this is basically it. Okay, because in the end, trading is a professional sport, and you will have your own way of doing things, and you will get more experiences by trading. It's the only way. Okay, we need to be trading. We need to be making mistakes, understanding these mistakes, understanding price more and more and more, because we can always learn more, always understand more. So yeah, guys, I just give you these 3 rules, just you can stick with it. So it's very simple for you. If you choose another time frame, which most of you probably will, you'll probably look at 15-minute time frames for supply and demand zones, or 5-minute or even 1 minute. That's obviously definitely up to you, but it's just how we do things, how we recommend doing things. I know most of you don't have the patience to wait for trades to play out 2 or 3 days, but these are obviously the trades that we're going to give you the biggest money and the less amount of work. So guys, stick to these 3 rules. Okay, it's the only thing you need. That's why I give them to you, because nobody else does. Definitely not for free. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, just leave us a like or subscribe to the channel. We're uploading new videos every single week about how we do things, how we see things, how we trade, and everything. If you're looking to trade, to learn from us personally, check out our trading program in the description. We left a link over there, so give it a look if you want to. And if not, that's completely fine. So yeah, guys, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video.